What is going on, guys? We are back. It's been a long time. A lot has changed. Been very busy. But we are actually in our new house, and this is the basement garage in the new house. You can see this side is really dirty, muddy. Got the ground down here, but I am working on doing some epoxy coating on the floor. So what I've decided to do is clean off one section. I'm gonna paint it, let it dry, move everything over there, and then do this section. So we're gonna begin doing that today. If you have any questions, let me know. But here we go. Alrighty. So go ahead and stir this up. I got some cheaper one-part epoxy for this because I'm not putting any cars on it. Shouldn't see a whole lot of traffic other than people walking on it. So my upstairs garage, I'll probably do a little bit more, but I got one coat on here. It's drying right now. I think I gotta let this sit for about 4 hours, and then I'll come back and I'll do one more coat. But this whole area took 1 gallon of this paint or epoxy. It's roughly 350 square feet, this area right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I have another gallon, so I'm gonna do another coat here in about 4 hours. Well, there it is. That's 2 coats done. Just under 2 gallons. Hopefully this looks better. I'll show you when it's dry, but then we'll start moving everything, and then we'll start cleaning out this whole side. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully get this done in the next couple of days. All right, guys, we're back. I did a few more things. We hung a bunch of drywall the other day. I cleaned this side of the floor out, so now we're going to paint this side of the floor to match this side, which is a mess. And then we'll begin moving everything back, trying to organize it once I get this floor done. Still missing 1 sheet of drywall. Should get that done the next day or 2. But yeah, let's go ahead and paint this floor. Alright, we got 1 coat done. It's about dry. I'm gonna go ahead and roll another coat on this thing. You can see it didn't get a whole lot, kind of thin, so I'm gonna go pretty heavy on this next coat, try to get a lot more coverage. I still got 2 gallons left, so hopefully this will work out pretty good. mess. I've just got all the drywall up except for one piece. I've got to cut, I don't know why they did this, but I got to cut this down flush so I can actually put the last piece of drywall in, but everything else is done. I still got to mud it, but I'll do that later. But yeah, this turned out pretty well. I got some trash I need to throw away, but yeah, that's the garage. Still got to organize a little bit, but other than that, it's been pretty good. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please subscribe, take care, and have a great day.